Alrighty guys, what is going on everybody? Happy Merry Christmas Eve to you guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Glad to have you guys here for another weather update here on the table, my friend, as we are going to be talking about tomorrow's event regarding Christmas. We got a bit of snow coming in. But anyways, let's go ahead and see who we have here for today. We got TRG, we have Caden, we have Colin, we have Misty, we have Kidstorm coverage, we have Marby, we have Ty. Let's see here. We also have ourselves Mark, Roadster Jim, Brad. What's up, guys? Roby, how close are we? What's up, you guys? Hope everyone is doing good. Glad to have y'all here. Once again, thank y'all for joining us this evening, or I should say this afternoon, because it's not quite evening yet. But anyways, real quickly, before we dive on into like the zip code forecast and stuff like that, because we're going to be doing that today, as the majority of the stream actually. We have that line of storm still rolling through. It's actually rolling through Louisiana right now, getting ready to impact the Lake Charles area. Not currently severe per se, but it is definitely a kind of a strong storm, strong line of storms that's rolling through. So just a little bit of a heads up there for you guys. But anyways, what I really wanted to show you guys is this was just added by the Storm Prediction Center. We got ourselves a risk for severe weather today across portions here of the extreme southeastern side of Louisiana, for portions of southern Mississippi, Mobile, Alabama area, and far western Panhandle, Florida. Out there by the Pensacola region is at risk for severe weather. Tornado probability is there. 2% chance, a threat for a spin-up tornado or two could be possible across some of those dark green areas. Damaging winds, 5% chance. Hail not really in the forecast here, so it's mostly just a damaging wind gust. Looking out for some gusty winds, could be damaging up to 60 miles per hour, and a couple tornadoes cannot be ruled out either. But yeah, thunderstorms across the light green area is also possible, so look out there for that. Anyways, let's see here. What's up, Bunzy? Hope you're doing good. Let's see here. Brad says, I'm good, just tired, need to take a nap. I hear you, man. I hear you, Brad. I am the same way. I could definitely use a nap right about now. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and get that out of the way, just to kind of tell you guys what's going on there regarding everything. But we are going to be doing zip code forecast here for today. So we're going to go ahead and hop over here to, we're going to go ahead and hop over to the models here regarding what we can see. So overall, whenever it comes to the system, brand new update from the HRRR here. You can see how we get quite a bit of snow here for the 25th. You can see a lot of snow out there for portions of North South Dakota, portions of Minnesota, Nebraska, Kansas, It looks like you guys are going to be getting snow for this Christmas here. A lot of rain across portions of the Ohio Valley, portions here of the Tennessee Valley and the southeast. We're going to see a bit of rain here for Christmas overall. Out west, southwest is going to be clear for the most part. Same thing for the northeast. I hate to tell you guys this, but it's going to be a relatively clear Christmas for you guys. No snow in the forecast. Really, the only areas that's going to be seeing snow for this Christmas will be across, the central northern plains out there. And even a little bit up in the upper northwest as we have ourselves a bit of a system rolling through late for the 25th. Not a lot of snow for those regions out there, but a little bit out there for like Oregon and Washington State. But yeah, most of the snow is going to be here for portions of like Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota. I mean, shoot, even the models. The HRR that we're looking at right now does show a bit of a wintry mix, kind of sleet and freezing rain being possible too. So that's something to look out there for. Anyways, but yeah, so that is currently what is going on there. Let's see here. Do I think there'll be a risk tomorrow? I doubt it. I think the models have significantly downtrended. Let's see here. What's up, Scott? Hope you're doing good. Marby says anything for 14590. 14590. Let's see here. My main programs I've been using has basically expired, so I need to use a different program here. Christmas has broke me, I tell you. So you're kind of east of Rochester here. So for Christmas, not a lot's in the forecast. Like I said, we have a lot of high pressure out there, which is going to be relatively good. What I do want to look at, though, also, let's see what's going on here. Oh, wow. We got, holy cow, we got a lot of blizzard warnings. I just now realized blizzard warnings for Nebraska and southeast South Dakota. Holy cow, I heard about blizzard conditions. Shoot. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. But what I wanted to go over as well is the overall forecasting regarding temperatures and stuff like that for tomorrow. So tomorrow's maximum temperatures for the Northeast, actually not terrible. I mean, we're talking in the 40s, 50s out there. Let's go ahead and hop to the full screen here so you guys can kind of see this a little better. So here's your Christmas maximum forecast here regarding the temperatures and stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and bring up my pen here. Let's see here. But yeah, so a lot of warm conditions actually forecasted for tomorrow. I mean, we're talking in the 50s and 60s across these areas here. It is going to be a warm Christmas, I'll tell you that one, because we have this big system that's rolling up and basically dragging up a lot of warm air from the Gulf, dragging up a lot of that warm air from the deep south, which is allowing for things to heat up here. And of course, we have that cooler air mass that's starting to kind of pull down here. That low pressure system is doing all the work. It's basically, dragging in a lot of warm air from the east, or to the east, I should say, and bringing in a lot of cold air from the west here overall. Anyways, let's see. Merry Christmas to you, Brenda. Thanks for joining. Let's see here. No to mods. Let's see. It's not a zip code. It's an inside joke. Okay, cool. West Central WX wants me to take a look here at 72941. Okay, I got you, my friend. See, 72941, which is across Arkansas. Let's see, you're on the, you're by Fort Smith. Gotcha. So when it comes out there towards the regions, we're going to hop on back here. So Fort Smith, Arkansas. So come Christmas time, actually things look to be clearing out for the most part. I'm going to go ahead and actually zoom in here a little closer to you. So for today, obviously we're going to be getting a lot of rainfall across the region. It's going to be relatively rainy on and off here. That is expected for Christmas Eve. But the time we reach midnight tonight, which is right around 1 a.m. Eastern, the rain should start letting up. So as we get into early Christmas, it should be changing. Holy cow! Proxy with a $75 super chat. Oh my gosh, Proxy. Dude! Proxy, thank you so much. Say Merry Christmas, Andrew, and all the NW6 family. I hope the holiday season will be good for everyone. You too, Proxy. Holy cow. Oh my god, that's so sweet of you, Proxy. Thank you so much, guys. Everybody in the chat, please give Proxy a big thank you. Oh my gosh, Proxy, that's so sweet of you. That is super generous of you. Wow. Thank you so much, Prox. Much love to you, and I hope you have a great Christmas as well. If there's anything I can do for you, Proxy, please let me know. That is very sweet of you. Thank you, Proxy. We love you a lot. Thank you so much. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. That is so sweet. So sweet of you, Proxy. Much love to you. Wow. That's crazy. That's crazy, Proxy. I haven't seen you in a while. Hope you're doing good, Prox. Let's see here. Merry Christmas to you, Tyler. Everybody. Yeah, thank you, Proxy. I know I've said it a million times, but that is so generous. That is so sweet of you. Thank you so much for that. Anyways, but wow, I will definitely, yeah, Proxy, if there's anything I can do for you, please let me know. Actually, I will do a forecast for you after this. But yeah, for the Fort Smith area we were talking about, yeah, the rain's going to be clearing out by Christmas morning, by midnight, as we transition from Christmas Eve into Christmas. So yeah, it'll be clear for Christmas. Should be pretty good. Also, the temperatures out there, maximum for tomorrow, is actually going to be in the upper 40s, which, isn't too bad. The lower temperatures here for, tomorrow night is going to be getting right around freezing, per se. But yeah, that is that. I'm still in shock, Proxy. Thank you so much, Prox. Much love to you. But yeah, let's go ahead and do Proxy's forecast real quickly. As a ticket of appreciation, that is unbelievable, Proxy. Thank you so much. When it comes to your area proxy here for tomorrow, now I hate to tell you this, it's not going to be all clear. For the most of the day, it will be. It's not until late, as you can see here, right around like 9 p.m. or so. It's not until late to where a little bit of showers, a little bit of storm activity could be starting to roll into the region. Now, not thunderstorms, but mostly just showers and just rainfall in general. So honestly, it should be relatively fine. I'm not too worried about those areas there. But when it comes to it for the temperatures and stuff like that out there, it's actually going to be very warm. Look at this, Proxy, in the upper 50s tomorrow at an all-time high. And the minimum temperatures here for tomorrow is going to get as low as 48. So it is going to be relatively warm Christmas for you, Proxy. So that will definitely be good. Definitely be good. But once again, Prox, much love to you. Thank you so much for that. That is so sweet of you. That is super sweet of you. Let's see here. Next up, let's see. We got ourselves a block. Interactive wants me to take a look here at 48430. I got you, my friend. Yeah, like I said, my radar program's expired. Proxy, my 2 main weather programs I use have expired, so that right there will help me out a lot. So thank you so much, Proxy. It's, once again, very sweet of you. Block Interactive wants me to take a look here at 48430. 48430. I'm just still in shock. That is crazy. So you, my friend, are out there by Flint, Michigan, kind of just to the south of Flint, Michigan on the eastern side. So maximum temperatures tomorrow is actually going to be in the mid-50s, not too bad. Lowest temperatures here for tomorrow, the low-end Christmas temperatures, will be around the mid-upper 40s. So really actually kind of warm for this Christmas here. Now, when it comes to precipitation and stuff like that, honestly, late, there will be the potential there for a bit of rain for late Christmas. Now, for, that'll start rolling in actually for the late afternoon, early evening overall. But anyway, so that is definitely something we should look out there for. A little bit of rainfall is a possibility. Like I was saying, for places out there by, North, South Dakota, portions of Minnesota, and even Nebraska, like I said, we actually have a blizzard warning, a lot of blizzard warnings out there, which is pretty crazy. A big winter storm is going to be rolling through those regions there for Christmas Day. This is going to be popping off all of Christmas. Shoot, I might even do some coverage tomorrow for Christmas. I'm thinking about it. I know it's Christmas and a lot of people probably won't be watching it, but I want to be there, obviously, to let people know what's going on. But overall, we'll definitely need to look out there for that. Let's see here. Robbie says, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you, Robbie. Very sweet of you. Chloe's World says, Merry Christmas. You as well, my friend. You as well. Tyler says, hit that like button, subscribe button, everyone. Thank you, Tyler. Really appreciate it. Proxy says, thank you so much, Andrew. You're the best. No problem, Proxy. Thank you. Seriously. Chloe's World says, I'm really sick right now. Andrew, you always cheer me up. Well, I hope you feel better, Chloe. It's the worst time to be Christmas, or not the worst time to be Christmas, the worst time to be sick during Christmas. Sorry to hear that, Chloe. I hope you feel better by tomorrow, for sure. And I'm glad I can help out. Prox says, Andrew, let's see. When we haven't had any snowy Christmas, Northeast Ohio gets slammed with major snowfall by mid-January. Probably will, Proxy. You're probably going to have to deal with a lot of lake effect snow this year. I think that's a good possibility. I think there could be a lot of lake effect this year, honestly. Because we have that jet stream that's going to be right over the Ohio Valley for the most part. It's the polar jet stream for the most part, which, should interact with the warm Great Lakes. And I think that a lot of coastal, lake effect snow could be a thing, but more of the bigger snowstorms overall. I think it's mostly going to be, a bit of lake effect. But, yeah, a lot of the big storms I think are going to be diving a lot further down south this year, so we'll have to look out there for that. But anyways... But once again, Proxy, thank you so much for that. That is so sweet of you. Much, much appreciated. Anyways, but yeah, so next up, anybody, like I said, if y'all have any zip codes, go ahead and throw down your zip code. I'll let you guys know what the weather's going to be like here for Christmas tomorrow. I do want to hop over here to the forecasts. We're going to go ahead and hop over to the GFS model. I want to look at the snowfall accumulations out there regarding tomorrow's blizzard that we're going to be seeing pop off here. A blizzard for Christmas, man. That is literally goals right there. I would love to have a blizzard for Christmas. Anyways, let's see here. So total snowfall. Now, this is just one model, by the way, just letting y'all know. Wow. So, yeah, we're talking, up to 20 inches out there. We're going to have to move this a little further up north, actually. That is actually really crazy. Yeah, look at that. South Dakota is going to be seeing some snowfall over 20 or nearly 20 inches, according to GFS. That's a hefty amount of snow. European model showing, up to 20 inches as well. Actually, those two models are in pretty good sync with each other. It seems like they are agreeing on each other for the most part, which is definitely interesting. South Dakota, y'all, you got to really be looking out for the snow totals tomorrow. Let's try another model like the GDPS. Holy cow, dude. Yeah, well over 20 inches. Well over 20 inches for Christmas. This is all going to be happening Christmas Day, too. Unbelievable. I would love to be there for Christmas. Let's see here. When will this pattern begin after the storm goes away? Everyone's talking about. So, yeah, I think really for January, February is whenever the big stuff's going to happen. It's usually whenever the deepest part of winter. Because we just turned winter like 3 days ago. So, winter is just beginning. We haven't even, we barely even dipped our toes in the water yet. Let's see here. What's up, Broccoli? Didn't expect an early stream today. Kind of guess because of the blizzard warning. Yeah, there's blizzard warnings out there. I obviously want to, give you guys a forecast for Christmas because I know a lot of people are traveling. A lot of people need to know what's going on with the weather. So I figured I'd be here for you guys. Let's see here. Braven says, hi, Andrew. Hey, Andrew, how is, 57108. Well, hi, Braven. We're doing good. 57108. Let me see here. 57108. Cross portions of Sioux Falls. Actually, west of Sioux Falls. You're actually there in South Dakota. Wow. You, my friend, actually, you're right on. So it looks like you're on the line. 3 to 5 inches according to GDPS model. European model, 3 to 5. Honestly, didn't mean to click on that. Honestly, I would I would just expect right around 3 to 5 inches, but you're gonna get snow for Christmas. Lucky, Braven. Come on, man. You gotta share it with the rest of us. Shoot. But yeah, a lot of the heavier accumulations though is gonna be to your west. We're talking like 20 inches. Not too far to your west. I'd say probably about 100 miles, which. Kind of a little far, but not really whenever it comes to the amount of snowfall out there compared to where you're at. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Big blizzard is expected out there. You can see how you're going to be caught up in that heavy stuff out there. Enjoy it. Seriously, enjoy it. It is pretty rare to see, a Christmas blizzard. We got one this year. Crazy. Let's see here. It doesn't feel like winter where I live, which is in Canada. I have in snow. First brown Christmas. Wow, gotcha. Yeah, no, it definitely doesn't feel like Christmas or winter in general, for me anyways. Let's see here. Sam wants me to take a look here at 29653. 29653. 3. Let's see, where is this at? This is in South Carolina on the western side. Gotcha. Okay, so I think we are going to be seeing a bit of rain. Yeah, so you can see here for the afternoon, evening hours of tomorrow, we're going to be seeing a bunch of, scattered showers. Maybe a few rumbles of thunder, honestly, could not be ruled out. But yeah, we are going to be seeing a bit of a bit of storm activity and some showers go through the region here overall. So that, look out there for. Temperature wise, let's see here. So maximum temperatures here for tomorrow is actually going to be very warm. We're talking the mid 60s. Really nice. Really nice out there. Lowest temperatures are going to be in the upper 50s. So really looking pretty good for Christmas there, Sam. So honestly, just a bit of rainfall, a lot of warm conditions overall. Not too bad, honestly. I would take it over the cold, to be honest with you. Unless the cold had snow. If the cold had snow, I would take it. But if it didn't, I'd take the warm. Anyways, let's see here. Can you tell me what time? Can you tell me any winter weather? What time, Braven? Oh, regarding the storm for you? Okay, so the timing. So you're out there kind of by this region here. So it really shows that snow starting to build in here for like right around sunrise, actually. Yeah, right around sunrise is when it's going to start. It looks like we're going to stop the rain, or sorry, the snow's going to probably stop here right around the early afternoon to, kind of evening, according to ARRR. Now, remember, don't take this too seriously. Take it with a grain of salt because, like I said, it's not 100% going to exactly play out as this model shows. But it'll be something similar to this, I can assure you that. I mean, ARRR does a good enough job to give you an idea of what things could look like. But yeah, it even looks like you might even see a bit of wintry mix too on top of it, so maybe some sleet, freezing rain. It's going to start off, it looks like it mostly is snow, and then maybe turn into like freezing rain and sleet. So you're probably going to get some snowfall, and then you're going to get a layer of sleet probably on top of it. So, anyways, tell me any winter weather alert as well. I believe, hold on, we're gonna, here, let me duplicate another page here. I don't think you're under any warning. Yeah, you're right off the edge of that warning. So there is blizzard warnings to your west, though. So, anyways, let's see here. Merry Christmas to you, Golden Arrow. Let's see here. Brocky says, if I had to pick one thing for Christmas and told Santa about it, and he would actually get it for you, what would I pick? Good question. Honestly, just to be with my family. Yeah. I mean, because I already have a lot of the things I need, honestly. I mean, I got a good place to stay, got a nice, setup and stuff like that. So I really not asking for much, honestly. Let's see here. Kid Storm coverage wants me to take a look here at 80128. Let's see here. 80128 here. Oh, wow. You're up there by Denver. Gotcha. So no warnings out for Denver. I can tell you that one. Right off the bat. Precipitation-wise, should be clear. Yeah, it should be clear for Christmas. We got high pressure out there, so it's leading to pretty nice conditions overall. Let's see, what about those temperatures? Pretty cold. Wow, look at that. So max temperatures here for you, it's going to be near the lower 30s overall, so pretty chilly. But tomorrow night, look at that, in the 20s. Wow, pretty chilly. Let's see here. Chloe's World says right now it's 6 degrees outside. Wow. Oh, is it 6 degrees Celsius? Gotcha. I was about to say, yeah, because you go off Celsius. If it was 6 degrees Fahrenheit, holy cow, that'd be cold. But 6 degrees Celsius, that's, yeah, well, that's like 50s, I believe. I think it's in the 50s, if I'm not mistaken. Not the best at conversion, because I grew up with Fahrenheit. Let's see here. Hope you have a great Merry Christmas, brother. You too, Braven. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, enjoy your snow, Lucky. I would love to have some snow. Yeah, you're really lucky about that. But anyways, guys, yeah, if y'all have any zip codes, feel free to let me know. Like I said, we're going to be here for y'all for a little bit. Just wanted to, hop on here and do the weather forecast and stuff like that for you. As of right now, like I said, we have that severe weather risk for today. I don't think we have one for tomorrow. We do have a thunderstorm threat. Thunderstorm threat here for tomorrow. So this is for Christmas Day. So Christmas Day, we have ourselves a thunderstorm threat across Florida. A couple rumbles of thunder possible. Same thing for South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia, Southern Tennessee, Alabama, and Eastern Mississippi overall. So that is that. That is what we are looking at. So no severe weather as of right now. I don't think. Let me look. I just want to look at the conditions and see, like, if it's going to be possible for severe weather, honestly. I don't think it will be. Yeah, it seems like too much of a lack of instability. Let's try wrap. It shows a decent amount of instability off the coast of off in the Gulf Coast. Could be some coastal thunderstorms out there. Let's try, let's see. Yeah, I'm going to go back to NAM for a minute. Yeah, I really don't think so, honestly. I don't think we're going to see any severe weather tomorrow. I mean, shoot, they don't even have a risk out there. So, yeah, I think we'll be clear. Honestly, though, I do think we'll have a potential for a few rumbles of thunder out there in the southeast, but I don't think it'll do anything severe, honestly. Yeah, the conditions are just too dull for anything like that. We do got quite a strong low-level jet, though, over Georgia, come late tomorrow. But there's no instability there. And any instability that's there, it's capped out. So it's basically not doing anything. Let's see here. What's up, Jacob? Saying, hey, from Nebraska. What's up? Hello from Florida, my friend. Rocky says 84044 for my cousin brother. He wants to know. 84044. Let's see. 84044, which is across Utah, out there by Salt Lake City area. Gotcha. All right, so it's gonna be high pressure. You can see the big H there, 1,030 millibars, right around that region. So pretty high pressure. No precipitation for Christmas, so it's gonna be relatively clear precipitation wise. See here, Kidstorm coverage. Member for 4 months, man. Thank you so much. Saying Merry Christmas. What do I want for Christmas? Really nothing, honestly. I mean, like I said, I have relatively everything I need. I'm not a picky person, honestly. I really don't need anything, honestly. But thank you, Kidstorm coverage. Very sweet of you, man. But yeah, so for Utah, relatively clear. Temperatures very cold tomorrow night. Let's see here. Maximum temperatures here going to be in the mid-lower 30s, it looks like. So that's going to be your daytime temperatures overall. Let's see here. Jacob says I'm in a blizzard warning. I did see that. There's a lot of blizzard warnings out there. I mean, literally most of the state of Nebraska has a blizzard warning. You are lucky, my friend. Lucky, I tell you. Shoot, I mean... Yeah, so those orange warnings you guys see there, those orange things, those are blizzard warnings. Blizzard warnings. And some of those areas out there is forecasted to see up to like 20 plus inches in some areas. It's crazy, man. Let's see. Couldn't fit the words. Also wanted to say all too. Oh, gotcha. It's all right. Let's see here. Jacob says, I'm in 68901. Let's see here. I want to see how much snow you're going to get. Okay, so you're by Hasty. Oh, shoot. I think you're in the heavy stuff. Wait, I was thinking South Dakota. You're right on the edge of those blizzard warnings, actually. But you're in them, it looks like, for sure. Temperatures at an all-time high tomorrow is going to be in the mid to upper 20s, and the low temperatures are in the lower 20s. It's going to be a little chilly, my friend, a little bit chilly. Let's see here. So what about, I could actually do this. Oh, I forgot I could do this. So this is the expected amount of snowfall. So Hastings is right in this area. So right around 6 inches. according to the 48-hour snowfall accumulation. Good amount. Enjoy your white Christmas, my friend. Lucky. I mean, honestly, though, I am in Florida, Central Florida, so there's no chance of me getting it. Probably ever. Let's see. Jacob says, I'll keep you updated if I go live tomorrow. I do plan on going live tomorrow. Yeah, I do plan on it to cover this here. Because it's going to be a storm you got to cover. Not to mention everybody's going to be wondering what's going on and stuff like that. So I'll be live for you guys for Christmas. I will. I plan on it. I do got family coming over, so we're going to have, like turkey and all kinds of good stuff like that. So that I'm looking forward to. But, yeah, when it comes to it, I will be live. Not sure what time yet tomorrow, but just count me on being live sometime in the afternoon, evening. Sometime around that time. Anyways, let's see if you want to track Santa's. Oh, yeah, NORAD. Yep, I remember that. I used to look at that as a kid. Let's see here. But anyways, guys, yeah, if y'all have any zip codes, like I said, hit me up. We're here for you. If there's anything you guys want me to take a look at, like I said, we're here for you guys. Let's see here. Santa's going to have fun in the snow. Oh, yeah, for sure. Crystal says I'm back for now. What's up, Crystal? Hope you are good, my friend. I got a bunch of these little sticker things on my pants because I went outside. Dude, they're everywhere, man. Yeah, they're a bunch of like little. If you live in Florida, you know what I'm talking about. Those little spiky ball things. I accidentally walked through a bush with my sweatpants on. Now my legs are covered in them. Oh, that's terrible. See, yesterday I went to my cousin's house doing flips and gymnastics. Now my thighs hurt. Let's see here, really sucks. I think I got sick from my little cousin. Oh, wow. That's not good. Well, hopefully, like I said, hopefully you feel better soon, Chloe. Yeah, that's terrible. Yeah, worst time, too, man. Worst time. But anyways, let's go ahead and hop on back here to the models, y'all. Oh. That's interesting. Look at that line, according to HRRR. Going right through Tennessee. That's early, too. That's like 10 a.m. Holy cow. Let's see here. That is worth. Yeah, it is. For real. Crystal says 45431. Yeah, you're in Ohio, right? Yep. Southwest Ohio. Gotcha. Okay, so yeah, you're down in this side. Kind of right in here. So, here for tomorrow, you will get precipitation. You're going to get a lot of rainfall, it looks like. The rain's going to start here pretty much right around the afternoon, it looks like. And it should last until the evening. Then it becomes more showers. So, expect a rainy Christmas out there. Let's see here. Let's see. Maximum temperatures here. Oh. Let's go and hop back to the Ohio Valley. Maximum temperatures, though. Look at this. Lower 60s. Lower 60s out there. That's not too bad. It's a pretty warm Christmas. And the lowest temperatures here for tomorrow, too, is going to be in the lower 50s. Lower 60s during the daytime, lower 50s during the nighttime. See, after tomorrow, I'm going to Alaska. Wow, going to be tough. Looking at the snow. Heard they got 7 feet. Wow. You're going to Alaska? Have fun. That's crazy. Yeah, Alaska is definitely a very interesting place during the wintertime. Regarding winter weather, like, holy cow. Yeah, especially some of those upper elevations. I mean, they got slammed. They really get slammed by some heavy snowfall. Wow, enjoy it, though. That sounds like a lot of fun. I'd love to see Alaska one day. I'm a little far away from Alaska, though. Just a little bit. Totally not literally the farthest you can be in the U.S. mainland. Let's see here. But yeah, guys, like I said, if y'all have any zip codes, feel free to hit me up. Like I said, we're here for you. Kind of want to be here for a little bit today. Help you guys out. All that fun stuff. Let's see here. Gonna snow the whole first week. We're there. Oh, enjoy that. Could I use a bagel and cream cheese, right? I'm good. It's not really my thing, honestly. I mean, I don't think I've ever had a bagel with cream cheese on it. Not gonna lie. Anyways, let's see here. Yeah, there's your satellite, your future satellite, dude. Very hefty stuff. Very, very hefty stuff. Let's see here. Got another zip code. I don't know how you say your name. I'm gonna call you Ya. So Ya wants me to take a look here at 63146. See here, got you, my friend. 63146. Where's this at? St. Louis. Gotcha. So, let's see here. We're gonna move back over here to radar. So for St. Louis, here for early tomorrow, you can see a bunch of rain here. Here's your time, by the way, if you want to follow along. So early morning tomorrow, gonna get a lot of rainfall. It should be gone by the late afternoon, early evening, and then pressure will start building back in, so it should be pretty good. So yeah, just rain in the morning and a little bit during the afternoon, but it's going to clear out by evening. Temperatures, maximum temperatures here for tomorrow, so actually pretty warm. Look at that, upper 50s, lower 60s tomorrow for your maximum temperatures. And the low end temperatures out there is going to be into the mid to upper 30s. So the nighttime temperatures, it's going to be in the mid to upper 30s. So a little bit, just a little bit chilly, but not too bad at nighttime. Honestly, pretty warm for this time of the year. Let's see. Real Time Storm says, hi, what's up? Hope you're doing good. See, Chloe's World says, I'm going to put my grandpa's house at 4:30. I'm going to my grandpa's house, 4:30. Gotcha. Like my grandparents don't care if I'm sick. Just take some Advil. Gonna bring some chocolate boost with me. Oh, cool. Gotcha. Let's see. Am I spending time with Courtney? She just went home, day before yesterday? Yeah, she spent time here with me. Or was it yesterday? I'm so lost with the time perception, honestly. No, it was yesterday. Ugh. Yeah, she was here yesterday. And I won't see her at Christmas, sadly. Oh, I might see her for New Year's, though. Let's see here. Y'all says thank you. No problem. You're very welcome, my friend. What's that time below me? What, right there? That's universal time. That's UTC. Yeah, that's coordinated Earth time. That's the Earth's time right now. So obviously Earth has 24 time zones. And this is just Earth's time as a whole. So yeah. But yeah, guys, like I said, if y'all have any zip codes, throw them my way, my friends. Like I said, we'll be here for you. Like I said, we got a big storm tomorrow. Big blizzard. A lot of blizzard warnings out there. Let's see. Models are showing a cold and snowy winter for the East now. Is that true? The East will definitely have a good shot for winter weather. I think along the eastern seaboard, possibly the Mid-Atlantic, Northeast, you'll probably get a lot of nor'easters out there. Even further down in the south, even. I mean, I don't honestly even think that some storms could happen in these regions here too. I mean, I think it's a good possibility. Typically during this time of the, typically during this time or this type of conditions, I should say, in El Nino, snow does dig a lot further down to the south. So, anyways. See, the snow that's going to make blizzard was here this afternoon. Gotcha. Yeah. Remember those storms that we covered yesterday, guys? That's the system. Just working its way to the east here. Yes, indeed. It's going to be a very strong storm, though. Like I said, y'all, even like Lincoln, Nebraska is going to be getting a lot of snowfall from this, it looks like. Omaha. Yeah, Omaha, Lincoln. Shoot. Yeah, you guys are going to be getting several inches of snowfall. Yeah, the most we were talking about, let's see here. Let me pull this back up. So, yeah, 40. Oop, 48-hour snowfall accumulations out here. Yeah, so this is the expected amount. You can see out there by central Louisiana. I'm done. I give up on life. Did I really just call it Nebraska, Louisiana? Oh my gosh. Shoot. Sorry. Nebraska. Central northern side. Upwards of over a foot of snow in the forecast. Really not bad. Let's see here. North. Yeah, also for like central South Dakota too. Let's see here. I have no idea how to say your name. I'm going to call you Lako. Once we take a look here at 57742. Let's see here. 57742. Let's see. Where is this at, my friend? Oh, hold on. Let me refresh this. 57742, you said? 57742. It's telling me it's not a zip code. It's telling me it's not a zip code. Try to figure out another zip code around that area, my friend. It's not showing it. Let's see here. This morning, since it's Christmas Eve, me and my brother gave each other presents that we got each other today. Got my brother some cozy pajamas, Squishmallow, and Pokemon. Cool. Sweet. Let's see here. See, as far south as Savannah, because I have a feeling winter storm will hit here possibly. I think so too. I do. Yeah, down there by closer to the Gulf Coast this year for sure. Yeah, but let's see here. Lako. Yeah, check that zip code 57742. I put it in my thing, and it's saying area check not defined by zip code. So it's not a zip code area. So find a new zip code or double check the one you got. Anyways, but yeah, like I said, guys, if y'all have any zip codes or anything, let me know. We'll be here for y'all. Like I said, we're going to be getting a lot of rain, too, out of this storm system here for tomorrow. Like Tennessee, Kentucky. It's going to be pretty rainy. Even Florida. It's going to be a little rainy here. Let's see here. Tom Roth wants me to take a look here at 68818. Gotcha. 68818. Oh, 68818. Here we go. This is Nebraska. Oh, you lucky. So you, my friend, obviously you probably heard the news. You're going to be getting a snowstorm. It looks like you are in the blizzard warnings too. Either that or you're right in the winter weather advisory. You're right next to the two. When it comes to precipitation out there, like accumulation and all that fun stuff, you're going to be seeing upwards of 6+ inches. Enjoy your snow, my friend. Seriously, it looks pretty hefty. Maximum temperature, so the warmest temperatures for tomorrow is actually going to be in the upper 20s, and the lowest temperatures is going to be in the lower 20s, upper teens potentially. So pretty cold. Pretty cold. So enjoy your what you call it? Enjoy your snow this year, my friend. Let's see here. Let's try 57625. All right, I'll try that one. 57625. Right? 57625. Okay. There we go. This works. South Dakota. Got you, my friend. Upper northwestern side. Let's see here. So upper. Okay, so you're going to be in the low temperatures tomorrow. It's going to be in the lower 20s. Upper temperatures right around freezing, actually. Snowfall accumulations, honestly, yeah, you're right on the strong gradient here. I'd say between 3 to 6 inches of snowfall is possible. So, good amount still. So enjoy it, my friend. Like I said, you guys are lucky out there by South Dakota, Nebraska. Yeah, between Nebraska and South Dakota, you guys are going to be getting a lot of snowfall. Some areas well over a foot even. Lucky. See, Alaska's having above average temperatures, which means colder and snowier in the southern tier, mid-Atlantic, and northeast U.S. We got that polar not polar vortex. We got that polar jet stream. It's gonna be going right over like the Ohio Valley and stuff. What's mostly driving the rain and the storms more further south is the tropical jet stream. We got a big current of moisture that's going to be going right over the southern U.S., which is going to be sparking storm after storm out there. So, anyways. All right. Let's see here. What about Omaha, Nebraska? I can tell you where Omaha is. Let's see here. First of all, I'll remove this pin here. So Omaha is going to be getting about 2 to 4 inches of snowfall, it looks like, out there. Maximum temperatures here for tomorrow is going to be probably in the mid-lower 30s, so it could get above freezing there. Low temperature, though, is in the lower to mid-20s overall. So, let's see. We live by the river in the middle of South Dakota. The other one's wrong. Let's see. 57442. Try that one. Oh, okay. Yeah, this one's more further east. Gotcha. So you're kind of up here in this region here. So low temperatures tomorrow. It's going to be in the lower 20s. Max temperatures in the upper 20s. So it's going to be below freezing pretty much all day. There you go. So yeah, you're going to be seeing actually about probably 6 to 12 inches. I think it locally could get near a foot near some of that regions. But yeah, I think 6 to 12 inches is a good expectancy. Let's see here. Colin says, hello, Andrew. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you too, my friend. Chloe says, a couple days ago, I went for a Christmas drive and saw some pretty cool houses decorated for Christmas. Nice. Cool. But yeah, you guys are lucky. Like I said, Nebraska, South Dakota. I still can't believe there's literally a blizzard happening tomorrow for Christmas. I mean, this is like the first blizzard we've had this year, pretty much. And it happens on Christmas Day. Like that's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy. Let's see here. Let's see, yes, because the Alaskan Canadian Ridge keeping the southern. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, for sure. Because you got that high pressure that's out further out there, which the jet stream rides over and into the country. So you got that polar jet stream, and then you got the subtropical jet goes right on the southern side. So between the cooler air coming down from the north and between all that precipitation that's going to be shot through the south, it's going to allow for that snow line to be a lot further south this year. It'll be pretty good. Should offer the potential for some good snows down south. So if you haven't had snow down south in a while, which I don't think we have, considering we've been in a La Nina for the last several years, big time change this year for everybody. Literally everybody is going to have a big time change for this winter. Should, anyways. Most people. But yeah, no, we'll definitely see a lot of that come in effect for, I think, late January into February. Typically when we see some big time snows and all that fun stuff. So we'll have to keep an eye out there for that. By the way, I don't know if I told you guys this or not. I do plan on going live again later tonight as well, to do this again for the people who was not able to reach this forecast today or during this evening, because I know a lot of people right now are either at church, which totally get it, or at families and stuff like that. But later tonight, I'm going to do another live stream for the people who are not able to make it to this one. So I will do my best to keep you all informed. Let's see here. No, we don't get El Niños winters that much. Yeah, we don't. Actually, it seems more La Niñas are more. I don't know if you noticed that, but it seems like La Niñas are more common winters, which typically means more snow for like the Ohio Valley and stuff like that. Which this year it's gonna be more dry. It should be across those regions. Total opposite for the most part. But I do still think there's going to be a solid chance for some nor'easters. I mean, I'm not saying that none of these areas are going to get snow, which, I mean, obviously we are. But just, for statistics and stuff like that, for more, averages and everything, it should be more below out there and more above down here. So I'm sure a lot of people will be happy about that. See, I need sleep early. I mean, I'll be fine. Yeah, don't worry about me, man. I'm good. But anyways, my friends, well, yeah, if there's any zip codes you all have, once again, feel free to let me know. Let's see here. Real-time storms. Merry Christmas, Andy. I'm about to head out soon, visit my family, and have a good time. So, well, Merry Christmas to you too, man. Thanks for joining, and Hope you have a good time with your family. Glad to have you all here. Just wanted to hop on here for a little bit, do some zip codes, and, chat with y'all and stuff like that. So, it's good to be here, guys. See, sorry I meant Andrew. Oh, no worries. People call me Andy all the time. I mean, Andrew is basically the name Andy in short, or Andy's a short version of Andrew, basically. So, I don't mind it, honestly. Let's see. But anyways, guys, well, like I said, final call for zip codes. Let me know. I feel like we've gotten a lot of people zip codes today. We definitely helped out a lot of people today, so that's great. Glad to help out you guys. Seriously, obviously people are traveling today and tomorrow, and it's going to be a little hectic out there. So, see snow in North Texas this year? Oh, I can almost guarantee you we'll see snow in North Texas this year. Absolutely. I think it's a really good potential. Let's see here. Sandra wants me to take a look here at 45216. Gotcha. 45216. Cincinnati. Gotcha. So, yeah, I can tell you this. We are going to get precipitation, but it's not going to be snow. So you're done in this region here. So you can see as we work our way here for the afternoon, evening here for tomorrow, it is going to be pretty much rainy. Yeah, it's going to be pretty much rainy for a while. Should clear out by right around midnight for the 26th. So honestly, it's going to be rainy pretty much all day. Starting in the afternoon, it looks like. Temperatures, like I said, all-time high temperatures. Actually going to be very warm tomorrow. I mean, we're talking lower 50s, upper 50s, lower 60s. There we go. In the low time temperatures, the coolest is going to be in the lower 50s at nighttime. So, pretty warm actually for Christmas. Pretty warm, so it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, a bit of precipitation is in the forecast here. And regarding accumulations, about a half an inch. About a half inch of rainfall is possible. So there you go, Sandra. That is your forecast, your latest and greatest. So, like I said, I hope you guys have a good Christmas out there. But we're going to head off here in about 9 minutes, guys. Push it right at that hour mark, just be live here. But once again, if you're just not joining us and if you missed this live stream, we are going to do another one today. Another one later today. Here to help out as much people as possible whenever it comes to the, all the activity and stuff like that. Let's see here. I won't be here in the evenings. Okay, that's fine, Broccoli. Don't worry about it. Yeah, once again, tomorrow we'll be doing some more coverage, too, on the Blizzard. We'll do some coverage on the Blizzard tomorrow. So, we shall be there for you guys. So, yeah, we'll give you guys, updated information. We'll have live cameras and stuff like that, too. Pretty sure Nebraska has some pretty good cameras from what I remember. A lot of the Central Plains states have pretty good cameras from what I remember. But yeah, guys, any final zip codes y'all might have? If you've not already, let's see here. Do I think we'll have any severe tomorrow? No, I don't think so. Yeah, we looked at the models here a minute ago, or a little bit ago, about 10, 15 minutes ago. And there's just not enough instability. And, for what little instability we do have here for tomorrow, mostly it's capped out, meaning that storms won't be able to fire due to it's too warm in the lower atmosphere. That's actually a thing. At the basically where the lower atmosphere, not on the surface, is warmer than the surface, which basically prevents thunderstorms from happening. So it basically prevents all that warm moisture air rising up. But yeah, I don't think so, honestly. Nope, I don't think so. But we do have a thunderstorm threat tomorrow, though. I will say that. Across the southeast, all these light green areas, potential for a few rumbles of thunder in those regions, but no severe. I mean, there's no marginal even. But today, though, by the way, one last time, we do have a marginal risk today. They do have a 2% tornado threat, 5% chance for damaging winds, and no chance really for hail. Mostly just a gusty wind and isolated tornado being possible. So, But anyways, but yeah, last call, guys. Like I said, gonna be rolling off here in about 5 minutes now. But once again, big shout out goes to Proxy. If you're still here, Proxy, once again, thank you so much for everything. $75 donation in today's live stream. Absolutely crazy, Proxy. Thank you so much. Kidstorm coverage as well, dude. Thank you for being a member for 4 months, man. Greatly appreciate it, my friend. You absolutely rock. So Kidstorm coverage and Proxy. Appreciate your guys' support today. Much appreciated, my friends. Much love to you guys. But yeah, one last look at things. We're going to go and hop on back here to the mainland U.S. Like I said, tomorrow, we should really start to see that snow start to really generate here for basically early tomorrow. So early Christmas, well before sunrise, it'll start, really kicking off there. And by the time, people wake up, should be snowing pretty heavily across like Nebraska, western Iowa, South Dakota, portions of Minnesota, and we'll continue all day tomorrow. So we have a lot of coverage tomorrow as well. Like I said, we'll be live for a little bit tomorrow for coverage and stuff like that. So, we'll be here. We shall be here, my friends. And of course, we have all these blizzard warnings. Well, I still find that to be crazy. Those orange there, those are all blizzard warnings. Whoop, didn't mean to hit my mic there. Sorry. So blizzard warnings there. Literally the first blizzard of the season, of the winter, happens on the 25th. At least from what I've seen. I don't think we've had any other blizzard. Definitely the first of its kind out in these regions. But anyways, my friends. Well, we're going to head off here in about 2 minutes. Yeah, because we'll head off here. We'll switch to the ending screen in about 2 minutes. Going to end it right at the hour mark here. Also, like I said, once again, if you're just now tuning in, if you missed this live stream, we're going to do another one later today. But yeah. Absolutely. Yeah, we'll be here for you guys later on. So if you missed it, like I said, no worries. We'll be here for you guys. Oh, wow, dude. Look at this. This was that line we were looking at earlier. It's literally died. It died right as it crossed over Lake Charles. Yeah, whenever we first went live here, it was actually like in its phase of still looking pretty strong. And now look at it. It's like dead. Let me try Lake Charles radar. Maybe it's just a radar thing. Could be. It very much is a radar thing. Holy cow, still intact. Still is intact there. Holy cow. That actually looks pretty strong. Let's look at velocities real quickly. Definitely would say that there's probably some gusty winds on that line there. So Lake Charles, well, kind of late to tell you now, but you're kind of getting a big storm right now. So, alrighty, guys. Well, that's going to go ahead and wrap it up here for this live stream for now. Like I said, once again, big shout out goes to Proxy Kidstorm coverage. Thank you guys so much for being here. Much appreciated, guys. Thank you so much. And thank you all for the support. You guys rock. And everybody, thank you all for joining us. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. Once again, Merry Christmas Eve. And tomorrow, I'll make sure to give you guys a Merry Christmas as well. We'll be live once again one time tonight. We'll be live again tonight. I'm thinking 8 o'clock like usual. And of course, we'll go live again tomorrow. Not sure tomorrow's coverage, but we'll go live tomorrow for the Blizzard to cover Christmas Blizzard. So, but yeah. But once again, everybody, thank you all so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the way out. It would be greatly appreciated, my friends. And all right, well, we're gonna go ahead and hop over here to the ending screen. We're gonna go ahead and end it off here with this crazy looking line here. But all right, guys, once again, big shout out goes to Proxy Kidstorm coverage for the support today. You guys will rock. And all right, guys, well, we will see you all later on. Stream's going to head off here in approximately 2 minutes, so go ahead and say your final goodbyes to the chat and anybody you're hanging out with there. And all right, guys, well, y'all take care. Once again, Merry Christmas Eve, and we'll see you guys later on. Once again, Proxy, thank you so much. I see you saying Merry Christmas. Thank you so much, Proxy. Once again, you absolutely rock, my friend. Like I said, if you guys do want to support us, we do have our Venmo. It's there. It'd be greatly appreciated. But like I said, if y'all don't have to do that, honestly. just y'all being here, hanging out with us. Much appreciated. But all right, guys, once again, much love to you, and we will catch you guys later on. Peace out, my friends. See you later.